So I have this fire extinguisher. I'm going to be building a shelf for it so that I can hang it on the wall. I'm going to put it up at the front of the shop. So I got some scrap pieces of wood. This is going to be for the bottom. This one's going to be for the back. And these are going to be like a 45-degree angle support for the shelf. And I'm going to Velcro it onto this and then screw this onto that piece right there.
I cut all my pieces at the table saw, miter saw, and band saw. And then gave everything a quick sand. Then I glued and nailed everything together using my cheap nail gun that puts really big holes in wood. Because of this, I had to fill the holes with wood filler, and because I'm going to paint it. I used a jigsaw to cut out slots for the Velcro strap. I used my router to put a chamfer on all the edges. I sanded everything down again and then put a light coat of spray paint on it. I drilled some pilot holes for the mounting screws. I sanded it one last time before putting the final coat of spray paint on it. Once the paint was dry, I put the Velcro strap on and did a test fit of the fire extinguisher. I removed the small fire extinguisher and installed the new one in its place.